Hello friends, Pat here. Today we are looking at, well, the future of literally making your whole house RGB. This is an LED light, just the fitting, just the actual light bulb from a company called Spectrum, which I've never heard of. And I know D-Link and a couple of other companies are doing these things, but this is the first one I've seen. And what you might see on here is actually says clearance. So not only have they already come out, been there, done that, the actual stuff has gone on clearance. So this was 79 Australian dollars down to 39 at Bunnings, basically Bunnings bargain bin, and I thought I'd give it a go because it sounds pretty fun. So I've got my little light here. I'm gonna take it apart, take out the box, plug it in, and see what we can get. I mean, see how fun it is and actually if it's any good. But first, let's have a look at a couple things. This can do off, dim, and on. So dim could be interesting, and we've got change colors to suit your mood via your phone. So I've got my phone here. I have to download an app by Spectrum, and it doesn't actually say what app it is. Okay, so here you go, Spectrum Pro app or Spectrum Pro. I can download either of those. So I'll get started on that, and I've also got to open the box. This is brand spanking new. Interestingly enough, I never thought anybody would bother doing this in their whole house, but the whole idea of instead of making your whole wiring smart and connecting it to a smart hub, you just make the light bulb smart, connect them to your Wi-Fi connection or your Bluetooth via your phone, and you'll get a smart house. So smart lighting, you know, the clap stuff that people used to get back in like the 90s, the 80s. Now you can just go fully RGB in your whole house. So this is a 7-watt bulb, comes in a nice box, almost looks like an iPhone box, and we've got some pamphlets, really helpful, and we've got the actual light, and oh, it is actually really heavy, comparably to just a normal light. Well, this is not particularly normal, but this is extremely heavy. I thought it was just a box, but this is very heavy. And what else have we got in there? Oh, that's it. Okay. I don't think the box is going to give us any more, but let's have a look at this. 7-watt LED RGB globe, 550 lumens, E27 base, so that's the screwy, not the clip. Dimmable via app, change of colors, pair with free Spectrum Pro app, control multiple globes, programmable settings, low power consumption. But that's a given. That's a given if you have an LED lamp. So let me download the app here. Okay, so after further investigation and a little bit of light reading from this pamphlet, it turns out that the actual app, Spectrum Pro app, does not exist on the Play Store on Android. It's been removed, and the only way to get it is through a dodgy APK download website that has it. So now we've actually found the app, because the app that was before it was some sort of fake one created in place of this one by a completely unrelated company. So we've found the actual light bulb, and we can now control it. How awesome. Okay, so let's try something. Let's put the brightness up. Yeah, wow, that's cool. All right, let's keep the brightness fairly low. All right, so we've got white. We can bring it down to a little bit of yellow. That's cool. I don't think you can tell that on the camera quite well, because it really does go quite yellow, quite rich here. And I think if I go like this, you can see it a lot more. In any case, we've got different colors. Red. Oh, you cannot. That's a real shame. It's really hard to see the red. I think I have to point it somewhere else. So red, we can go pink, green, blue. It does change, as you can see. That is actually pretty cool. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. We got a timer. Oh, we got a timer. We've got music. Wow, cool. So does that mean that is pretty cool. So we can play to music, which is amazing. We can now name this light bulb, so we can put it in a group of light bulbs. But obviously, since we've only got one, we can control this one and change it and do all sorts of cool things. So I suppose, first of all, this is a discontinued model, I think, from what I've seen. I have not been able to find any of these Spectrums in Bunnings anymore. And I guess the problem is when you have an app that's not even on the Play Store, it's not even on the iOS store, you've got more than a problem of just trying to sell these bulbs now that they're actually on. Wow, that's warm. Wow. Okay, that is very, very warm. Very concerning. In any case, you've got a light bulb here that was $79 down to $39, and you're expecting people to buy it at $79, which at this point, if it was $79 and this app, if you didn't think to Google the APK like spectrumpro.apk, and I'll put the link below for you guys just in case you have this light bulb and you want to use it. If you didn't know how to do that, you'll not be able to get this running. You're not going to be able to get this running. Now, to do this, first connect to the actual light bulb through your Bluetooth and then run the app, and the app should recognize this in there straight away. If I did it the other way, it wouldn't work. The actual app looks really nice. Why it's not on the Play Store, I have no idea. Why it's not on the iOS store, I have no idea. And obviously, maybe this advert here is actually for the iOS one. Maybe it's on there, I don't know. But all in all, it works really, really well for a Bluetooth controlled light bulb. This is the first of my experiences with one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video on a look on this stuff that probably will be in your homes very, very quickly, or rather, if you decide to fit out your whole house with these light bulbs. You're probably going to save a lot of money in power, but do you want your house to be fully RGB? The gamers do. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Check out more of my videos. Subscribe, like, and let me know what you think.